Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study math on your iPad. First, select a robust note-taking application like GoodNotes or Notability, which offer excellent features for handwritten notes and organization. Next, ensure you have an Apple Pencil or a similar stylus for accurate writing and drawing. Finally, set up your digital folders and files to keep all your math resources, from textbooks to practice problems, easily accessible and well-organized. When taking math notes on your iPad, strategic use of color can make a big difference. Highlight important formulas and definitions with distinct colors to improve recall. Don't hesitate to draw diagrams and graphs directly into your notes. The Apple Pencil makes this seamless. Many apps also allow you to practice solving problems right on the page, providing immediate feedback and helping solidify your understanding of concepts. Your iPad offers powerful features to enhance math study. Use Split View to have your textbook open alongside your note-taking app, making cross-referencing simple. Many note-taking apps also let you record audio during lectures, syncing it with your written notes for comprehensive review. Plus, with features like Math Notes, you can write equations by hand and have them instantly converted to text, or even solved and graphed, improving clarity and shareability. Consistent practice and review are crucial for mastering math. Dedicate time to revisit your digital notes and rework problems directly on your iPad. Utilize apps that allow you to create interactive flashcards for quick recall of formulas and definitions. This active engagement helps reinforce learning and identify areas needing more attention. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals to enhance your study environment. Keep practicing, and you'll see your math skills grow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.